Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to unbox my Knitcrate membership, and it arrived, thank goodness, and I'm happy to share with you what I've got in it. So if you're new to Knitcrate, this is a monthly yarn subscription. You pay a certain amount of money every month and you get wool and patterns every beginning of the month. So I get mine on like 7th, 8th, 9th, depending on what time of the week it gets here. And they have a different subscription. This is the original membership, which is $24.99. They have a sock crate subscription. They have an artisan subscription, and I think a sock artisan subscription. I get the membership myself, and then they send me the artisan Knitcrate to review and show it to you. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm so glad that they started doing the patterns on paper, so you don't have to download them if you don't want to, or if you're not on Ravelry, you don't need to go there and find the pattern that you're supposed to get with the Knitcrate. So you just get it all on paper, which is amazing. In the membership Knitcrate, like I said before, you get a crochet pattern and a knitting pattern. The month's theme focuses on a modern palette with a graphic twist. Dusty tones play off wearable designs in beautifully dyed yarns. This Morse code massive dash dot dash is the letter K for Knitcrate, is our sign off and what is sure to be a singular set of September crates. It's beautiful. I unboxed my artisan one and I'll have it linked down below for you. It's amazing. I love the yarn. It's beautiful. So we're going to start with the crochet pattern, and yes, here we go. I can show you the picture. The crochet pattern looks like this, and it's called, oh gosh, okay, Las Mananitas de Blanca. Okay, sorry, I'm not sure if I say it right, but that's the title of it, and it's by Cecilia Losada. And as you can see, it's a shawl, and I'm not sure how you work it, but probably start at the top and finish at the bottom, or I don't know. I'm not a big crocheter, so I wouldn't do the crochet pattern. I will probably do the knitting pattern or choose a different pattern with my wool, but this is the crochet pattern, and you get the link where you can download it on PDF if you want, and then the rest of the leaflet is the instructions how to work. And if you are on Ravelry, you can definitely go there and see more pictures of the shawl. But this is the crochet pattern, and I'm going to set it aside, and I'll show you the knitted pattern. Oh yes, I'm definitely going to do this one. It looks like a blanket scarf. Here it is. I hope it focuses. It's a beautiful, like a blanket type scarf. It's called West Wind by Anne Podlesack, something like that. Sorry for butchering these names. But as you can see, it's got a stockinettes section. It's got some lace, and oh, it's beautiful. I like it. And as you can see, most times in the membership Knitcrate, you get there are 4 colors or 3 colors, and you get one. You always get a surprise because you don't know what you have in yours. And as you can see, the knitted pattern is done in this green, olivey green wool, and then the crochet in like a purple. And I think there's also a red yarn, and also, if I'm not mistaken, like a navy or maybe a mustard. I can't remember. But let's go ahead and see what I've got. The first thing I can tell you is that it's really soft, and I think it's fingering weight. Yeah. Well, let's just go ahead and open it. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. I love the color. I had this this shade before, and I made a beautiful scarf. Gradient, I think it was called, or something. But we've had Vidalana by Knitcrate before in the Knitcrates, and it's a beautiful wool. As you can see here is 70% superwash merino wool, 20% silk, and 10% cashmere. Wow! Suggested needle size is US 3 to 5 or 3.75, 4.5 millimeters. And they're exclusively hand dyed for Knitcrate for best result, hand wash and lay flat to dry. And in each skein you get 329 yards or 300 meters, and it's 100 grams. And the colorway is called Pimento. Oh, it's not focusing, is it? Yeah, there we go. The colorway is Pimento. I love it. And you get 2 skeins. So why should you get a Knitcrate? Because you pay $24.99 for the Knitcrate, and every month you get 2 skeins. I don't think I've ever got 1 skein. Every month you get 2 skeins and 2 patterns, and 1 skein would cost about $24.99. So you kind of get 2 for the price of 1 plus 2 patterns. And also most of the times you get in your leaflets discount codes, and it's just an amazing thing. If you're a knitter, or if you're new to knitting and you don't know what to knit, you don't know where to go for yarn, this would be the best to start. And you have the option to use your wool and the pattern that you're given, or just use the wool for whichever pattern you want. I've done that before. I've knitted the pattern that came with the wool, or I've knitted something else with the wool that came in the Knitcrate. And if you want to follow Knitcrate on Ravelry, they are there. They're also on Instagram and on Facebook. And if you want to if you want to join the Knitcrate and share your Knitcrate creations or your boxes, then just hashtag unravel your Knitcrate. I love it. It's so beautiful and so soft, and I don't know what I'm going to start with it. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.